So I created Alphabawse because I wanted a place for bloggers, micro YouTubers, micro bloggers, influencers, whatever you are. If you have a small following, this is the platform for you. I wanted to create a place where you could get tips and advice for growth and authentic tips and advice. When I started my YouTube channel, everything was a secret. What people filmed with, what people edited with, all a secret, because it was like nobody wanted to share how you could do the same thing and pretty much achieve subscribers. I went to school for audio engineering, so I knew how to like mix music, make music. I knew how to find the right mics. That's just like what I was trained to do. And so audio is like a big portion of like what I like to make sure is good. If my audio isn't good, I feel like everything is ruined. Monetization is a huge thing on YouTube. Like, now that YouTube is kind of taking away monetization from smaller platforms and smaller creators, everyone's like freaking out, and I'm like, don't freak out. It's not a big deal. You can hit that milestone. This is something that you're just gonna have to work towards, and it really tests how passionate you are about YouTube and about creating in general. If you take YouTube out of it, would you create for your blog? Would you create for other brands? I mean, YouTube isn't the end all be all. As long as you establish that relationship with brands and with other influencers and by yourself without YouTube, you're good to go. You're good. I wish I had this platform when I started out, because it would help me stop making so many mistakes when I did make my YouTube channel. I had so many lighting issues, so many audio issues. Even though I was audio engineer, I couldn't afford all the best things. All the equipment that I purchased and that I have, it's like what I worked hard for. I saved for that stuff. It wasn't like things that I could just go and buy. I don't like have this credit card with endless credit to just go and buy this stuff. Like, I have to save my money for this. I wanted to make sure that I showed influencers who are up and coming that you don't have to have the best thing, as long as it's good quality and as long as you make the best of it at that time. And then when you start making money, reinvest into your business. And that's the difference between people who are like pros on YouTube and people who are just like, oh, this is the best camera because so and so said it, so this is what I'm gonna get. Do your research and get what you need for your content, and don't just think YouTube. Think like, okay, if YouTube was gone, could I make this work for me?